To connect Shopify to Nembol, click the Connect Channels button and select Shopify. Next, enter your Shopify store name, which you can find in your Shopify admin. It is the text that appears right after Store. Copy and paste it into Nembol, then click Connect to continue. Shopify will then ask you to grant permissions to Nembol. Click Install to proceed. Once all steps are completed, your Shopify store will be connected and active listings will be automatically imported into Nembol. You can then adjust your import settings, if your Nembol plan allows it, and filter your next product import to bring more of your Shopify products into Nembol. In the next video, we're going to take a more detailed walkthrough of these settings.